I'm not saying that I think we should replace people. I'm just saying that if we do things correctly and we maintain human responsibility, then we can possibly make it so that the stuff we do as humans, with the help of tools that are artificial intelligence, can be improved. We're the superintelligent systems, and how we've gotten superintelligent was since we've had AI, since we've had machines and just mechanisms like notebooks, writing, then all of a sudden we could really start innovating. We would never get AI that would reason exactly like an ape, because it wouldn't be an ape. The way that we do empathy is by assuming that when somebody says something, they would mean something like what we would mean if we said that. And so it's basically running on our own model. And so the only way we would get something that would be exactly like a person is basically to clone a person. And most people believe that's unethical. Everything we value is stuff that helps one species of hominid live well. And so I don't see it makes sense to project that. I think it's really unnecessarily nihilistic to say, let's have machines live for us. So I think it's a lot better plan to try to use artificial intelligence to extend our own intelligence to do a better job of being custodians of the planet.